Ladies and gentlemen, that is going to conclude the final Stadium Tour Yellow Show of the year. Camden Murphy, your overall event champion. What a wicked freestyle event and skills competition from Ryan Anderson and many other drivers. What a night. We have a lot of show review to go over and a lot of Fire and Send talk show to catch up on. But I have to say, this was one of, if not the best stadium shows of the year for Stadium Tour Yellow. So make sure to tune in to my next talk show episode and my next show review. It's going to be awesome. We got one more Stadium Tour show to go, and that's Stadium Tour Red. Tune in next weekend at Salt Lake City, Utah. Thanks for watching. Keep laying back on all fours. 11 pizza. This is Monster Jam.